I've charged the camera. I'm just charging my phone. I also did my makeup. This place is actually really nice. I'm just sitting here. I've been sitting here for a while and it's very breezy, not hot at all. I want to practice putting it up to a center stand. What if I'm like stranded in the middle of nowhere and I don't know how to... Why is it not coming up? Am I just not heavy enough? Inaaral ko pa siyang i-center stand.
Apak mo lang yun. Kasilayan mo.
Pag ganon, hindi ko talaga. Need ko pa siyang i-practice.
Mabigat nga lang.
Mabigat po, no? I'm all charged, 91%. I think that's enough. Let's go. Wait lang. I just gotta start it again. Have to go. Pag ganun to, di ba?
Apo, ingat po kayo.
Thank you. Slowly. So this way. Gosh. Not even using the throttle. This way? Init. I'm driving so slow. I've learned my lesson. Google is telling me to make a U-turn, but I don't understand why. So we should pull over. But why? Hold on. Okay, start. I'm going the wrong way, I think. Going the wrong way. Here, I think this is the right way. Now we're gonna eat breakfast/lunch. Because of this experience, I don't know if I should be proud or I should be scared for myself in the future. I'm happy that I survived that crash. I'm still alive. Okay, this is where we're gonna eat. Ooh. Hello po. Sisig tanay. May pares po kayo?
Mayroon po.
Isa pong pares with rice, tsaka po isang sisig. Pares with sisig and spoon. We're gonna wait for the rice. Spicy chili sauce. Thank you. Rice. Oh, Nate will be so proud of me. Let's get some sisig first. Sisig. Kabebe ko kumain ko. Not very spicy. Actually, not very spicy. Their pares is really good. It's not a good weather to eat pares. It's so hot. But their pares is delicious. I'm done eating. I got a Coke Zero. A small one. I'm full. Bother ako eh. interesting place, but I don't want to park. I think I'm in Tagaytay right now. I'm not sure. I probably am. Okay, let's go. It's so dusty. I think I forgot to move the mic a while ago. Oh shit, alarm. Wait, die. That is beautiful. Ano, trauma ba to? Not speeding up anymore because of what happened. Your ridiculous self. Reminds me of the roads back in Laguna. Very similar. Uy, Amadeo. Welcome to Amadeo. What the hell do you mean slide left? You just say turn left. Yay! There it is. Cafe Belardo. Wonder if they have like indoor parking or something. Yeah, I can see it. Where do I park? Here? Nice. Got here safely. No more accidents. This is the cafe I saw. It's like high rated or something. Oh. Afternoon. Oh, I think I'm gonna stay here for a while because it's so hot outside. I wonder how long I can stay here for. Order something. Ano pong bestseller nyo na ano? Ice. Opo, sa ice.
Hand-out latte.
Sige, yun po.
220.
Magkano cookie?
120.
Tsaka isa. I asked if they have like a sink. Really need to wash my hands. Oh, they have a toilet here too. Here. Look at how dirty that is. Damn. I'm done. If I had my laptop with me, I would have started editing by now. Nice. When I first started driving, I told myself I would not drink any coffee while I'm driving, just so that I panic less, so I'm not as anxious. Oh, I just rip it off. Look at me now. Wow, coffee. Yay. It's nice. Another cookie. Okay. It's a big cookie. Cookie mom big. Wow, it's so warm. Wow. I like it. I think I'm a little bit too full to finish this. I'm just gonna hang around here for a while. I still need to practice putting this thing up a center stand. It's so hot outside. I don't feel like torturing myself, not yet. Maybe later. I've just felt the kick of the coffee that I had. Really nice coffee, but I'm palpitating a little bit. See me struggle again. It's so heavy. So like when I'm putting it up to a center stand, I looked this up. So I know that if I'm gonna put it up to a center stand, both sides of this should be on the road. And whenever I'm trying to practice this, the road is always like sloped. When I push this down here and then I try and like put both sides down like this, that is just difficult. Like pull it. Nope. Well, I'm just gonna ask for help. It's so hard to put it up to a center stand.
Ano lang ba, di ba ba, habakan niyo yan. Tsaka lagi niyo pong side stand muna.
See, thank you. Oh my gosh. That's so life-changing, kuya. Thank you. Shit. Okay, we're on the road again. I'm scared, guys. I'm legit scared. I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be in the highway anymore. Like a scared puppy. I'm so sorry, but like I am legit scared of being... Breathe, bitch. Bitch, just don't panic. This is really scary. I don't even know how to explain why this is scary, but it's just big road shit. City shit. I'm fucking... I wanna go home. I do not like it. I do not like this one bit. Everything is making me so jumpy. That's why I don't like drinking coffee. I blame the coffee. I am extra jumpy today. It is not good. We'll go here. The Gingerbread house. Oh. Hello po. Magkano po entrance?
200 po na.
Ako lang po isang. 200. Ayan lang po muna. Magkano po water niyo?
30 po.
Pa isa na din po water. Ito po.
Yung tempo kahit po naman.
Okay lang po. Kunin ko po bago ako lumabas. Oh my God, ang init. Sige pa, thank you. I don't like my country. Also, my mic kind of died, and stupid me, I forgot to bring the spare mics and the mic charger. So, so hot. How do I enjoy this gingerbread thing place? I really like riding out. It's the mixture of the heat and also like having to deal with the other drivers, and it's so hot. This is a pretty place though. Parfait and stuff. It's quite nice. I need more water. Hold on. Don't get me wrong, I really did enjoy riding out today. Like some parts I really did enjoy. Just it's too hot to enjoy now. I don't like this. Like, please, I beg of you, watch the videos that I post so that I can leave the country and explore a better country. Like, I mean, not better as in better, but like less scorching hot, less hell-like because of the heat. I'm also running out of gasoline. The next stop will be a gasoline station. Anyways, look at the rose walkway and candy houses. I am still sitting down here. I don't wanna get up. I don't feel like getting up anymore. So hot. So hot. So hot in the Philippines. It's like we're being prepped for hell, you know? I can't enjoy my gingerbread house. I can. It's just my body isn't cooperating. It's like, no, rest. No, don't get up. Rest. Sit down. Okay, let's go. I think oh my gosh. I think I rested enough. Oh wow, that is so cute. You can bake. Wow. Wow, oh my gosh. It's a place to avoid when you have kids. Wow, this is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. What's that? Oh, I can write something and put it there. Yes, let's do that. Wow. Okay, well, wait. Okay, I am done. I am Visa. Schengen and US. This is for like the dream board. Yeah, it's kind of like the flying lantern, but like with a board, and then you do it with like this house thing. Now we're gonna hang it here. Wow, how though? Okay, maybe here by the tree. I don't know if you guys can see me though. Yes, yeah, I'm good. No. Mine looks so nice. Oh, I should have put it in a date. I didn't put a date in there. Yeah, maybe I should. Hold on. There it is. I put the date, and my wish is an airplane. Argue with me all you want, but that is an airplane. Gosh, I think I enjoyed this more than the ride. Okay, let's put this back. I had my fun here.